Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Rising Sun, local and long-distance movers near me. Rising Sun residents can rely on our expert long-distance moving services for a seamless transition. We provide a variety of packing options, from full-service packing to DIY packing materials. Our skilled team ensures that your belongings are handled with care, making your move smooth and worry-free. Rising Sun's charming rural setting calls for a personalized moving service. We offer specialized packing for fragile items, efficient residential moving, seamless office relocations, custom solutions for unique challenges, and careful handling of valuables. With us, your move in Rising Sun will be as tranquil and charming as the countryside. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rising Sun moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.